Welcome to our channel. Having OneDrive sync problems? Follow these comprehensive steps to resolve sync errors and restore cloud file synchronization. Step 1. Check OneDrive status icon. Look for the OneDrive cloud icon in System Tray to identify sync status and errors. Step 2. Verify Microsoft account credentials. Click OneDrive icon, go to Settings, Account tab, and re-enter password if needed. Step 3. Check available storage space. Ensure both OneDrive cloud storage and local disk have sufficient free space. Step 4. Reset OneDrive sync connection. Open Run dialog, type onedrive.exe reset, and press Enter to reset sync. Step 5. Review file name restrictions. Remove special characters and ensure file paths don't exceed 400 characters. Step 6. Pause and resume syncing. Right-click OneDrive icon, pause sync for 2 minutes, then resume to refresh connection. Step 7. Check files on-demand settings. Ensure settings match your needs for online-only or always available files. Step 8. Unlink and relink OneDrive account. Go to Settings, Account, unlink this PC, then set up OneDrive again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.